Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You open the app and create a new presentation now. Pick PowerPoint, Keynote, or Google Slides so file compatibility matches your needs. Tap a template or blank slide and set the aspect ratio to 16:9. This avoids later layout shifts. Once done, import images and icons you already collected, choose one or two accent colors, and pick a readable font. You do these first actions to lock design decisions early and speed up consistent slide creation throughout the process. You now focus on structure. Open the master or layout view and create a consistent header, footer, and placeholder sizes so each new slide follows the same grid. Then add concise headlines and limit body text to 3 to 5 bullets. That keeps slides scannable. Insert images and charts, resize with pinch gestures, and use align and distribute controls to keep spacing even. Make sure to group elements you'll reuse, and once a slide looks right, duplicate and replace content to maintain pace. You finish by reviewing every slide. Read headlines aloud, confirm font sizes, and verify images look sharp on phone screens. Export options matter. Choose PPTs to edit later, PDF for sharing, or MP4 for recorded narration. Embed fonts if the app offers that option. Once exported, test the file on another device. If something fails, restart the app, clear cache, or re-import problem images. These steps usually fix layout glitches and missing assets, so you can deliver a polished presentation on time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.